Parents, don't forget to restock your medicine cabinet. And to help out our partners at Real Simple, they're giving us a look at some items you might want to add to keep your kids safe and healthy.
With back to school season on deck, it is time for some serious shelf care. Whether you're a jock family headed back to school or an in the trenches family with young children, we spoke to doctors to give us their recommendations for a well-stocked medicine cabinet. Keep you and your family prepared for life's small emergencies by keeping basics like ibuprofen, hydrocortisone cream, calamine lotion, saline solution, and a thermometer on hand. If you're a jock family, add the following to that list: bandages and gauze, a steroid nasal spray for seasonal allergy relief, instant ice packs, and a sporty sunscreen. For that last one, make sure it's a broad spectrum product of at least SPF 30. If you have toddlers or school-age kids, you're going to want a nasal bulb for kids who haven't yet mastered the nose blow, electrolyte replacements, and most importantly, the number for poison control. To make it easier, save 800-222-1222 in your phone and post the number on your fridge.